the NATUROPATHICA Gotu Kola Balm for a facial massage, and I'll also be using this for the guasha. I love, 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 love the Gotu Kola Balm. This is one of my favorite products ever. Just because another thing it uses, it like a little bit goes a long way. Like you can use a tiny scoop and it could cover your entire face because it's super hydrating. But another really, really big thing when it comes to the Gotu Kola Balm is that it is non-comedogenic. Non-comedogenic means that it will not break you out. The properties used in it are very antibacterial, anti-inflammatory, so it's for mostly sensitive skin, but anybody can use it. If it says it's for sensitive skin, 9 times out of 10 everybody can use it. So I really like to use barrier strengthening products, but also it has a really good shine and it has just an amazing way of locking in moisture but still being able to not overclog the skin's pores. Here I'm really just focusing on just loosening up the muscles and just getting that skin really loose, so when we go in with the gua sha we can really hit the muscle and focus on that lymphatic drainage. I do a little lymphatic drainage in my massage and just kind of follow the skin's type. Now here I'm using the gua sha. So here in this corner you can see I put a little diagram. I did it off camera, but I pressed down about 8 to 12 times right next to her neck where you see that yellow line is on the diagram. That is your lymph passage system. There's also one by. So for the gua sha, I really like to follow the shape of the face. So you follow the shape of the face and then you really focus on draining that lymph passage. So top of your ear and the side of your ear. And you want to drain those and open those up before you start your gua sha. Now, when you start your gua sha, you do how I'm doing in the video. You move it over, you move it to the lymph passage, and then you move it down the neck. This is really, really important because a lot of people will be like, oh, I don't know how gua sha works. I don't think it really works. But it's because they are missing this crucial step of not draining their lymph passage. Not opening up their lymph passage first. Opening up your lymph passage is going to clear out anything going on right there. So when you move the liquid and the fluid from your face, you're going to move it down the lymph passage. When you move it down the lymph passage, it can now move out your body when you go to the bathroom. And so that's why, after this, people get a facial or have lymphatic drainage, they have to pee or go to the bathroom or they're super tired or dehydrated or so, because you are cleaning out your lymph passage system. But if you don't open up the lymph passage, you are just kind of moving the liquid and you're moving the fluid around your face, but you're not actually draining anything. So you can see as I do it on the other side of her face, and just following that kind of structure of your face also really kind of helps you get that chiseled and that sculpted look everybody's obsessed with gua sha. I love gua sha. It's really good and it's really effective. You have to be in practice of it, but you can see results immediately done correctly. And you'll see closer to the end of this video and at the end of this part where you can see the change in kind of her facial structure a bit.